6:08 right now. We turn now to the latest in the Karen Read retrial. Only one witness on the stand yesterday with connections to a major player that's looming over the case.
Sergeant Yuri Bukhenik was grilled by both sides about the evidence collected from the scene of John O'Keefe's death and those infamous crew text messages sent by Michael Proctor.
NBC 10's Minash Kongwari joins us outside the courthouse in Dedham. Minash, this was a dense day in court.
That's right. The temperature has certainly rose in the courtroom. Prior to this, we've been hearing from people about what they did the night before John died. But now we're getting into what Karen Read did the night before John died. And it begins with MSP Sergeant Yuri Bukhenik. He was on the stand yesterday testifying about what he did after he was named as one of the lead investigators on what became the John O'Keefe death case. He says one of the first things he did was interview Karen Read.
The defendant stated that she dropped Mr. O'Keefe off at 34 Fairview. She was asked if she saw him go in the house. She stated no, she did not see him go in the house.
Did you see John go in the house? I did. You saw him go in the house? I saw John go in the house. Can you just...
And that was Karen Read outside of court. She's accused of backing her SUV into John O'Keefe outside of a Canton home and leaving him to die there on the front lawn. Karen maintains she's being framed by the people that were in that house. In addition to those conflicting accounts about whether John went inside, we did see undisputable evidence Bukhenik says he helped secure: camera footage, John's clothes, John's hat, and pieces of Karen's taillight allegedly recovered at the scene days after John was found. But perhaps the biggest takeaway is that the prosecution is seemingly trying to distance themselves from Michael Proctor, a man who in the first trial was referred to as the lead investigator on the John O'Keefe death case. But now in this trial, Bukhenik referring to him as the case officer, saying Proctor didn't play a major role in the investigation, despite Proctor's name being on a number of affidavits, police reports, and evidence logs regarding this case. And it may be because, as we know, former Trooper Michael Proctor was fired from the Mass State Police Department in part because of the misconduct he displayed while serving as the lead investigator. Bukhenik will be back on the stand when court resumes in just a few hours, and we'll keep you updated on what he has to say today. But for right now, we're live here in Dedham. Minash Kongwari, NBC 10 Boston.
Thanks, Minash. NBC 10 Boston is your source for Karen Read's second murder trial. We'll carry the court proceedings today and every day over on NECN, and we stream it on our YouTube page starting around 9 a.m.